So this is the docking station I buy from Noon. Let's open it. So I buy this one extra cable. This is a C-type cable for the docking station. So let's see it will work or not with our docking station which we ordered. So when I ordered this cable, it was written in the specification that it supports the video input and output also. So we will test it out. So if we talk about the quality, this quality is very good. It's feel very good quality. So yeah, and there was different sizes of the cable, so I buy this one. This is only 1 meter cable. This is long enough to connect your docking station and the laptop. So this is the cable we have ordered, because in the few videos I have checked that the cable which come with the boxes was a very small cable, so that is why I have ordered the separate cable. Okay, so this is the docking station we have ordered. This is 16-in-1 docking station. It's also supported 4K. Okay, and it has HDMI port, USB port, and DP port also. And we have, this is the technical specification we have. All right, so I didn't see the name of the company. It is just mentioned docking station type C multifunctional hub. So let me open this and let's see what's inside. All right, so this is it look like. So there is type C 5G, type C 10G, and USB 3.0 10G, USB 3.0 5G, and there are two micro SD 3.0 and the SD card 3.0. and if I can show you, you can adjust it with as per your need. Okay, so if we look at the back side, so this is the power for the docking station. This is the host port from where you will connect your laptop with the docking station. This is back side USB 2.0, 2 ports, and there are 2 ports of HDMI and 1 port of TV, and there is also 1 gig Ethernet port. So yeah, so I believe we can just remove it from the box, but I don't know how to do that. So overall I see the quality is very good, and let's see what's more inside the box. So we have this, I believe this is the cable. Okay, yeah, so as I told you that I have seen in the videos, the cable is too small for the which comes with the box, so that is why we have already ordered this cable. This is GPUS 240 watt, and there's nothing mentioned on this cable. Alright, so what else? There is this card, instruction card, right, and that's it from the box. So there should be one power cable, and the adapter should be comes with should be come with the docking station, but as you can see there is nothing in the box. So but I feel like this quality is very good, and let's start this thing and let's see how it works. Thank you.